Bird to feeding at the Soegemeier household. Look at that. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon here on Sunday the 25th of April. Whoop, something just scared them off. Whatever that was. And they come back again. It's amazing the parrots are here, the big one, big white ones. And we've got a turkey that's around here somewhere. Trying to get rid of him. He eats all the food. One turkey is the same size as all these birds together. That's great, love seeing all the birds. Nice way to relax in the afternoon, just sitting here watching the duckies and the galahs. What else we got there? Pigeons over the side. Pink parrots. Lorikeets. Lorikeets are fun to watch. The way they do things. Oh yeah. They're a strange bunch. Look at them all there, all in one bowl. They've got it, it's all theirs. They don't care. Nobody else can get it. A few lorikeets up there with the parrots. But the white ones haven't shown up yet. Big cockatoos. A couple of the parrots trying to get rid of the lorikeets so the parrots can get some food. Chris has to get out there and give some more seed, I think. But it's nice. You'll understand if you guys got this happening at your place. You'd understand how nice it is. Beautiful. Okay, I gotta go. Catch you guys later. Love yous. Bye.